Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Before I start this video, I'd like to say, go check out all my social media. They'll all be in the description below. I'm here with your boy, yeah, I'm your phone now. I'm here with your boy, Seth. You know, we're going to explore the part, like the house again.
You know, this is part something of the house.
Yeah.
They like made major progress.
Yeah, I'm gonna aim the thing down. We might want to keep kind of a quick pace. Is that a dog? Is that a pig? No, that's a dog.
No, that's a dog.
That's a pig. I mean, that's a... Hurry. Oh, shoot. Let's, wait, where's the trail again?
It's over here.
Alright.
Hello.
There's a dude, and that's a cop, so we gotta go.
It's this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little more down, I see it. Okay, this video is gonna take a look. Hmm? I know. Should I turn on the light?
No.
I need to make it dim. Hey, no. Turn it off. It's okay, it's okay.
Here, bro. He was looking through the window.
He was. This looks better. Oh, shoot. I'm covering it. How are we gonna get in?
Don't do that. It's not a good idea.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Okay, try to open it. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Oh, right here. That's the garage. We gotta be actually away. Oh, where do we get in? Oh, I see. Oh my god, I hate that. Okay, I think we're good. Come on. Yo. So they made a lot of changes. I'm gonna turn this up now. Okay, so they made a lot of changes, as you guys can see.
Hey, don't shine that window, so.
Actually, not this way. Here. I'm just trying to, walls.
Right here.
Yes, show them upstairs. Okay, come on. Shine your light. Shine
No, shine it at the ground.
That's what I'm doing. Cover your light. Okay. Perfect. If there's a worker here, bro, we're gonna be so scared. Okay, so we're actually upstairs right now.
This is the house so far.
So they put in pillars downstairs.
Oh, they got a bathtub. That bathtub's screwed though. That's like, look how ruined that is.
No, the downstairs they put in more stuff. Right here, there's a balcony. Over here.
Oh yeah, guys, real quick.
Sorry,
We're gonna do a warehouse tour later on in some of these videos. It's gonna be 200 subs.
Wait, didn't we say
Special.
in one of the parts that it was 50 likes for a overnighter?
Yeah.
I think it's almost at 50 likes.
Well, yeah.
Please don't like that video. Guys, don't check it out. Definitely.
Actually, I will legit pay each one of you $50.
Dude, this house is actually... Oh, yo, like, this room is sick. Okay, so that's the room. I gotta turn off my light. Turn off your light, Seth. Hide your light. It's Mr. Copperman next to... What?
Turn off your light. Look.
Heck no. Heck no.
I'm turning my light all the way up.
Of course. No, of course. When we come here, it has to be night. Like, it has to be night, right, Seth?
Yeah, guys, Wait, what should we do if Copper Man pulls up?
Run.
Yeah, he's gone.
Like,
wait.
You showed him
These videos are more like update videos.
on this house. Yeah, that's true. So, dude, don't freaking shut up. Okay, so there's this. Let's go downstairs. I want to kind of. Oops.
What
Sorry.
is downstairs?
They have a whole stairwell.
Moving, but those are late.
If we die, guys, it's totally all your fault. Dude, I'm kind of playing like Rainbow Six right now. Dude, I keep on like taking my camera around the corner. Oh, that's just your footsteps, okay.
So this is downstairs? Pretty legit, miss? Alright, let's move.
Where are we going? Oh, let's try to get to that attic space again. Remember last time? So only...
Oh yeah, that attic space up there.
Dude, if the cop dude shows up, we're booking it.
What would we do? Well, those windows are cut off, and the only way in is
Light. Stop. There they are.
What?
They stopped right next to us. Shoot.
Watch from the window over here.
Oh no, if that actually happened, Seth, we should get him. Sorry guys, I have to turn off my lights. Sorry, we're being quiet. There's a lot of people here. Okay. Attic.
It's on the driveway. We gotta get out of here.
Not yet. Where did we go?
Oh yeah. Alright guys. Let us know if we should do another part. Well, once we do another part, it's basically breaking in at that point.
Well, no, it just depends on how long it takes for us to get down here, I guess.
Oh wait.
Car park's right outside.
Wait, outside really?
Yeah.
No cap.
Oh no, oh. That scared me. I thought the car had it.
Try and climb up.
I don't think there's a way. There's no ladder.
There's one over here. Well, it's not ladder, but it's wood.
Sure.
Right here. That thing. Do you think I could do it?
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's actually meant for that. I'm putting my back down. Come here.
Here. You better aim the light up.
I'll show. Okay. Try not. If it starts to, get loose, just don't climb it. I'm showing you. Does it work? If it does, come take my camera, but be sure to hold it by the camera because the tripod's a little loose. Yo.
There's nails up here, so make sure you...
You gotta be careful. You're not wearing shoes. Guys, we're in a big rush out of the house. Here. Oh, take my back. I'm gonna try and make my way up.
Here, wait.
Don't drop it. Okay.
Here, let me get up.
Oh! Frick. Sorry, you got some wood in my eye. Dude! We just, look at this. See my man's up there? And then, bam, he's gone. Okay.
Do not step on this flat part right here. It's very bad. Step on it, fall through. Step on the wood.
Can you take my camera, please?
Oh, yeah.
Be sure to hold it by the camera and don't drop it. Thanks. Alright. Yeah, if the copper man showed up, we would be up here.
Yeah, we'll light cover our lights and we'll be up here.
Oh, wait. This is scary. Only because the camera, I don't want it to drop it. So we made it successfully up into the attic. I want to try to explore more. Well, this is actually supported, but over there isn't.
It's not. Basically, Bryn's basically just telling you guys this is a way to die. No.
That's actually kind of
Do not step right here, though. You step right there, you're dead. You'll fall.
Yeah.
Step on things like these if there's things under them. Step
Mhm.
on those.
I'm trying not to show my, see guys, see that shadow? That's my camera, I mean my microphone.
Alright,
Do you want to get down? Where do you want to go? Wait, lights. Okay, I think we're good.
turn off lights. I want to see how dark it is.
Guys, you can't even see this.
Alright.
Look how high up we are.
Yeah, we're like up there. Do you want me to go down first?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, you ready for this?
Dude, this is actually kind of sketchy because I don't want to, jeopardize. Here, I'm going to show you going down. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. I thought I saw like a light or something.
Oh, that was my phone.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's pretty safe going down, but well, not really.
There's a lot of muscle going down.
Oh shoot. We're in a little bit of a jam right now.
Oh. Here.
Yeah, climb back up. And wait.
Here.
Wait. How am I? I don't think I should give it to you.
I won't take it down because it's gonna be just all.
Okay, hold it. See how I'm holding it? Hold it like that. Try to. Don't grab it by the tripod. Like I said, the tripod's really loose.
Alright. Oh crap.
Okay, once you get down there, grab my dog once you get down.
Don't worry.
You might want to hurry because my leg's gonna give me a tail bad now.
Alright guys, Bryn's up there.
Here. What's up?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Here.
Okay. Let me.
Why is it so blurry, bro?
You have to let it
Focus.
Yeah. And we also don't have the best lighting.
That makes sense.
Let's see.
Sorry guys, it's a little blurry. Alright, by the way, I'm showing you guys outside. Basically, in the middle of wetlands.
Yeah, nice spot for a house, am I right?
Hey, do you need help? Alright. Bro, look at this bathtub, bro. I don't know what they were thinking installing it early. Alright, guys. Yo, Bryn.
Yeah?
Should we leave, like, a window or something unlocked and then we come back here, like, tomorrow?
Really?
Because I feel like tomorrow they're gonna, like, or, like, day after tomorrow, they're gonna, like, fix up all that stuff and all. Like, fix the door so no one can get in.
Hurt. My leg got impaled by a nail. Or I'm gonna have to clean off my camera after this.
Alright, boys.
Focus. Yeah, it's not focusing.
So, yeah, we're basically...
It's being really blurry right now. Oh, there we go. There. Now it's focusing. Bro, why are you unlocking that one? Oh, to get on the roof?
I forgot how you do that. Oh, you pull these both back.
Nice.
It's possible. Definitely possible.
Wow. That hurt really bad.
It did.
When I was coming down, I smacked my front part of my leg on the thing.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Alright.
Making my way on the roof. Yo, we can keep on going if you wanted to. Just try not to fall through, the floor.
It's not like a dog thing.
Hey. Dog. Oh! Wait, lights. This is high.
You're on top of a roof right now. Here, sit down.
Look at this, guys.
Nice view, though.
Yeah.
But whoever like's gonna live here is gonna always be up here and be like,
I almost rolled back. That would have been nice.
imagine somebody's like over there, like starts playing, going outside.
See, no, I'm just showing them the roof. See, we're on the roof, guys. See,
We could go to the front door.
the main roof? Hey, you want me to try to get to the main roof? Here, wait.
Not that roof. That's like very dangerous. I wouldn't.
But like, here. Wait, Seth. No. No, come here. Hold the. I know, no. Here, hold the camera.
You can do it.
Yeah,
You need to do crazy stuff because I did all the other stuff first now.
Hey, last time I did do some crazy stuff.
Wait. Hold up.
Wait.
Sorry, guys. Alright, so, bro, what were you doing?
What?
I'm just gonna let that slide.
Sorry, I gotta be a little cautious. I bet this is.
You want me to follow behind?
Might want to slide down because the shingles down here a little more. There's like pebbles and stuff. And my shoes have no grip. But you're not wearing shoes.
No shoes, or it has better grip, I think.
Yeah, my shoes are literally nothing.
I'm just scared about the rubble and all that.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm doing.
Here, guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm getting close to the wall so I won't fall off into that abyss.
The crap. How are we gonna get up here?
Yo, Bryn, I'll grab the camera because once you get up here. You got up?
Yeah.
Right here.
This is actually kind of sketchy. 1 minute.
Like, bro,
Sound fun, you
I'm
know?
all the way up there.
Oh God. Okay. Okay, we're officially on the highest point you can get. Car. I'm so screwed. I don't like this. You're welcome, guys. I am really afraid of heights. Like, when I say afraid of... Well, I'm not... Yeah, when I say afraid of heights, actually, I mean afraid of heights. But, Seth, it's not like we haven't done this. You know? It's not like we haven't done this. Dude, my hands are screwed up. So, if you can, see... Look at my... I'm on camera, I'm trying to... Sorry. You guys can't really see, my camera's being weird. Before the video started, I kind of messed it up. Are you coming up here, bro? Seth.
You know why this is so scary? Is because if you fall, you're gonna fall, either hit your head on a metal dumpster, or you're just gonna be...
That's true. Here, wait, Seth, go back. I'm gonna come down, okay? Go back.
What?
Do you want to switch off? Go back over here, and I'm gonna give you the camera, and then I'm gonna make my way down, and then you're gonna make your way up. See, you can't really see him because I don't have my light on, but he's kind of, you know.
I don't know. It's kind of sketchy going up this one.
Just hold on. Shoot.
Guys, in the comments, spam socks in the comments because that...
Well, if they're on. Okay, hold the camera. I'm gonna make my way down before. Because like I said, I'd much rather make a YouTube video and die because that would be epic, not gonna lie. Then, you know.
But you better not.
Oh no. Oh shoot. Okay.
Hey, here, do you want to come back and try and find a better way?
No, this is the best way.
Car, pull on that driveway.
I know. I'm making my way down there. Yeah, no, this is actually not that.
No, he's pulling down like fast. Here, get down.
go down and then I'm gonna come back up, okay?
Come back. All right. Can I show him the roof?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna.
You know, oh, shoot.
What? Yo, these.
Guys, show the camera to me. See this? That's all loose gravel. Well, not gravel. What am I saying? Shingles? Great. F in the chat.
Yeah, Bryn's probably gonna fall.
Yeah, I'm about to fall. It's whatever though. Oh, this is even worse. Seth, look.
Yeah. Oh no, you fucked up. I didn't say it, bro. Chill.
I know.
If the whole thing was made out of that metal stuff, I don't know if you can see it there, but there's like metal stuff.
No, getting down
If
that
the whole roof was made out of that metal stuff, bro, we would slip off immediately.
Wait, show me. Oh. Okay, wait. Don't come down. Let's explore together.
Like, what do you mean?
Guys, this is why I named the channel Crazy Bros, just so you know.
We're legit on top of somebody's roof that we don't even know. Guys, this is everywhere in my neighborhood. And the camera just died.
No way.
No, I'm just playing.
I was gonna cry.
It's everywhere. Alright, Brent, you good?
Yeah. And I've never been a fan of heights, you know?
Yeah, me neither. Here, do you need this?
No, you keep on holding it. Could you?
I'm gonna.
Oh my god, of course it's pouring. Hey, do you want to get down?
Yeah.
Make sure you're recording everything.
No, everything's recorded.
Okay. So, come down here. Let me show you how I got down, okay?
Oh, wait, hold up.
Because if you don't do it right, you'll slip. Because I almost slipped going down.
Here.
So come down. I'm turning on my light so you can see me more clear. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Wait. Do you want me to film you going down?
Yeah, sure. So look, you start off by, getting down a few feet, and then there's this little wooden plank right here. You stand up and grab it from the bottom, and then just slowly.
I'm gonna just jump over there. No, I'm fine.
You just slowly make. Show me on the camera. Your business. Yeah, complete opposite direction. So, yeah, basically with you. Give it to me when I'm over here.
Alright. Wait, here, let me get a better grip so you get the.
Thank you.
Alright.
Alright, guys. Do you want me to record you going down? For the content? We could probably jump to that. The second roof. But not this one. Maybe the other one. Maybe. Because this one... No, this one had more space. The other one had less space in between. Do you want to try to get up a different way? Here, wait, Seth. I'm going to go explore the other way. And you just look around and stuff. Okay, guys. On a journey. I swear, Seth, if you didn't get any of that and you're just like, pointing it at your leg, I'm gonna be mad. What? Yeah? 1 minute. Sorry about that. Here. I'm looking for... Yeah? No, not at all. Because jumping, dude, this house isn't like really done. It's not gonna be like your dad's at all, bro. It's gonna be like, you know, you fall, you're dead. Car, dead. Hey, Seth, come down. Hurry. Sorry. Okay, stand up.
Stand up.
Yeah, and hold the board. Like I showed you. Oh. 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 Did I just? I did not get that on camera. Are you okay? Come on. Are you okay?
You don't know the shit what we do for you.
Oh my god. Hey, this isn't even gonna count. Dude, this isn't gonna be nothing. And if you in the summer, dog, we're gonna be doing way more crazy stuff than this. I heard that. I heard your feet like. Ow, frick. I don't know why I did that. That hurt.
It's like flat. Legit flat.
I know that's why. That's why I had to stand up and grab the thing, because I almost slid down. Bro, you almost just fell off the roof.
Yep, boys, that's how you do it.
Dude, you almost gave me a panic.
Imagine this was closed and locked.
No, you gave me a panic attack almost. You want to know why? Because I walked past this window looking to see if there's anything, like any other entrance, and I hear footsteps walking around, and I realized you're on the roof, so that was you. But my heart stopped, and I walked in between, and my heart was pounding. I was like, oh! And I almost disconnected.
Right, guys?
Guys? I said that. I was calling your name. Guys, I swear to God, if we're gonna be too, you know, if we're too quiet, sorry about that. I could probably just turn it up when I'm editing or something.
Sorry, guys. I'm just saying. If we
Ow!
like
Ah!
accidentally swear, it's actually not a swearing. It's just a fake swear.
Fake swearing because.
All right. It's so we.
Bro, let's see what this is. This is right here. Fireplace, probably. Can you climb that?
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
Hey, you want to go now?
Go.
Yeah, I can leave because the video's gonna be
How long has the video been?
28 minutes.
That's a decent video.
All right, Seth, do you want to try the outro?
All right, guys.
Look at the camera.
Like and
Oh.
subscribe, or else I'll come to your house
Okay.
and steal your mac and cheese.